All right, here we go. We got 410, we got buckshot, we got the triple odd buck federal, and we got the PD4 buck, 3-inch and 2.5. What we're going to do is shoot it through the Rossi single shot smooth bore, and we're just going to see the difference in pattern. You know how, if just compare the two. Yeah, they're well, one's triple and one's 4. So, but anyway, just out of curiosity, before we get into it, we already know the difference in length. Is there a difference in weight between these? I'm sure there is. If we go with grains, we're at 296.4 grains. And 347. All right. Both got the same brass. I'm gonna assume it's the same powder charge, but again, that is an assumption, so if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. So here we go. Y'all stay tuned and see how the pattern goes at 25 yards between the two. Well, we're gonna find out today. We're gonna go ahead and take a shot with the 410, the 3-inch, and then we're gonna follow up with the triple odd buck. Okay, definitely, you can definitely tell the difference between the two. So, yeah, we'll take that one back to the house and take a look at it. All right, folks, here we go. Well, which one is the 4 buck and which one is the triple odd? Can you tell the difference? Here we go. We definitely got those 4 pellets stayed together a lot better right here. The PD4, this definitely home defense. I would not use that for hunting. I mean, I would use it for if you're walking in the night and you've got, you got the judge and you got, with hogs or whatever coming up. So that's okay for that. I mean, I would handle that. But between the two holding together better, the shorty, the 2.5 definitely held together a lot better than the 3-inch in the buckshot there as well. I'm guessing because the pellets are just heavier, so it takes more force to separate them than the smaller ones is what I'm guessing at. Look, a round ball keyhole. I wonder how many people said, it's supposed to keyhole. But there you go. If you were wondering, that's the difference between the two. Me personally, I mean, home defense, I can hunt with that. But yeah, that'll work. Thanks for watching.